Good morning, Blind Sniper here. Out here with my Ruger precision rifle, but this time it's in a 22 Magnum caliber. I've been doing some work on it, trying to get it right. I've been making some homemade weights and trying it out. But my muzzle brake came in this morning that I wanted, and because it stopped that barrel jumping a little bit. It's shooting great, but not good enough. It's shooting great, but not good enough for me. I got my muzzle brake on here, and believe me, if you don't have earplugs in, you can't take it. It has really ramped up the sound of this rifle. That's the two weights that I made out of flat iron. Drilled some holes, made some boo-boos though, but it still works. But that's a little over, I think this is a pound right here, a little over a pound or a pound exactly right here on weights. I still want to add two more on here, I believe. I got two I made that's 12 ounces total. I might add that 12 ounces to this, and I think that would be enough for this rifle. But I got my Athlon scope on here. It's a, no, I'm wrong. Excuse me, I'm wrong. This is my CV Life scope. Yes, this is my CV Life scope. The 6x24 by 50. The one that I said I paid $169 for, and it's not like the rest of the CV Lives. This is a fantastic scope right here. The glass is about as clear as it's gonna get, believe me, people. This is what I've been shooting today. First, I tried Hornady, 30 grain. Done pretty good. It was 1 3/4 inches on this right here, because I had a couple of flyers in there. And it could be the gun jumping. Like I say, it's not just right. This one right here, which was the CCI, same thing, 30 grain. Both of these were polymer tips, and this one here shot about the same as this one. It was a little bit smaller, but not enough to brag about. Then I put the game point in there, and it was promising to begin with, but then I had a couple of flyers in there, kind of messed that one up. I think it was 1 3/4 inches. Then I tried the Maxi Mag TNT. It was real promising. Still ended up like 1 3/4 inches. The last one I just shot was the Maxi Mag Hollow Point. And by God, people, I think I found a winner right here. It had one out of the group. That was my fault. I pulled. I haven't set my triggers yet. My trigger on that gun is set at 3.5 pounds. And I believe I'm gonna have to adjust it down just a little bit, because I don't mind a 3-pound trigger, but I'd love to have it about 2.5, 2 pounds. But I shot that last group with the Maxi Mag Hollow Point, and it looked like it was about to make one ragged hole until it kind of moved a little bit. So it's one big hole. But anyway, 1 3/4 inches. That was the Hornady CCI 1 3/4, 1 3/4. I can't remember which one this is, but it was promising. It was 1 inch. Oh, that's 1 inch. That was the game point. It did give me 1 inch on it. That's right. Game point was 1 inch. And here's the other one. That was a TNT, and that was 1 3/4 inches. This was the last one. Maxi Mag. That was Maxi Mag TNT, but this was Maxi Mag Hollow Point. And it's giving me, with the straggler, me pulling, I ain't gonna call it a straggler because I pulled on it. With the pull, it's 1 1/8. 8 millimeters. No, excuse me. 1 8/10. Excuse me, 1/8, this is intense. 1 8/10. Without it, I was probably about 7, maybe 8/10, something like that. So I'm saying the Maxi Mag hollow point is the best, and then I will go with game point. But like I said, that's not. It can be better. I'm not satisfied with that. It's a Magnum, which is going to have a lot more kick and recoil to it. It's got a lot more jump to it. But I think if I add 12 more ounces of weight to the barrel to hold it more solid, and I think that's going to be about it. And besides, maybe adjust my trigger. And I think I can dial that thing in maybe to a 1/2 inch group. I'm hoping. Don't hold me to it. But anyway, I just want to get on here with this gun, let you know I'm working on several at one time. My B22, I had it out again yesterday. I can't remember if I posted it or not. I got a lot of videos I need to post. But I put the Boyd stock on my B22. It's shooting a lot better. But the magazine, well, I need to work on that. I'm gonna look at that today, over the weekend anyway, and see if it's something I can do for it or something or what. I don't know. It's just tight. I can get it in there, but it's just tight. It just barely does lock in. But anyway, this is Blind Sniper, aka Goat. God loves you. God's looking for you. He's just waiting for you to step forward and call him. Call him by name. As long as you believe in the Son, you'll make it to heaven. But you got to work for it. You got to ask for forgiveness. And you can do it. God forgives you for anything you've done, no matter what it is. But I hope and pray that y'all all make it. I hope and pray I make it. Because everybody's not guaranteed to make it. All right, 22 RPR from Ruger, 22 Magnum. That's my setup right there, but I'm not completely through with it. I'm gonna add 12 more ounces of weight to it right here. And I'm gonna adjust that trigger. I might leave this scope on here. If it shoots good with this scope won't leave, it'll stay right here. I was looking at buying another one, but I hadn't made up my mind yet. Because they hadn't got many left. I think on the website they said they didn't have but maybe 6 left, 5 or 6 left. Might be 4, I can't remember. Getting old, people. Alzheimer's setting in. Dementia. Getting dyslexic. I got it all. But God loves me, and that's all that matters. All right, people, 50 yards. That's what I got. And I'll talk to y'all in a little while. Peace out.